Welcome to Mystery Money. My name's Nick. On this channel, we tackle all sorts of topics that surround money. If that sounds like something that interests you, hit that subscribe below so you don't miss any topics. And if you get value from this video, I appreciate a like. If you haven't heard, the President and First Lady have tested positive for the thing that shall not be named. This has shook the stock market already, and the Dow Jones futures had dropped 400 points. Whether this is a short-term or long-term, and as we've seen over the last few weeks, an already volatile stock market is about to get even worse. There's two outcomes that I believe that are going to happen with this announcement. One, the President and First Lady will get over it. They'll basically, they'll have the symptoms, they'll not feel well, they'll get over it. Two, it gets very bad and we have to see hospitalization, things like that. So in the short term, I think we're going to see a lot of volatility until more news comes out about the status and the health and all those things. And then after that, I feel like there are two paths that it could take. One, it gets better and no effect at all, and then the stock market rises and goes back to the volatility that we've been used to. And two, it gets worse and the stock market goes down because obviously there's a lot of things that could happen with that. Those are the two outcomes that obviously hold a lot of the future of stock prices. You know, we've already been in for a lot of volatility and we're probably going to see a lot more until November 3rd, but at least this throws one more log on the fire, if you will, of potential volatility. So what I'm doing with my portfolio, about 3 weeks ago, I liquidated my 401k portfolio that was heavily invested in a T. Rowe Price 2045 retirement fund. Since then, I've been watching the markets and kind of getting an idea of when I want to jump back in. And I know common phrases, you can't time the market, time in the market, yada, yada, yada. My money, I do with what I want. That being said, I jumped in about $1.35 less than when I got out. So therefore, my portfolio is already up from what it was before. Now, this was before the news that just broke, but I took half of that portfolio and reinvested it back into 3 different classes, and I can break those down in a different video. But pretty much I can break those down in a different video, but I wanted at least half of my portfolio back in the market and then the other half still in liquid position. So if, you know, we take another 5, 10, 15% drop, I'm ready to jump back in to reinvest. So with that being said, I'm cautious on half of my portfolio and the other half I'm putting it back in. If you got value from this video, I appreciate a like. If you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.